The European Day of Languages is celebrated on the 26th of September. We dedicated that day to the English language and the coronation of King Charles III.
The Stone of Scone is an ancient relic that was used to crown the kings and the monarchs of Scotland. It is called the Stone of Destiny. It was used from the 9th to the 13th century. However, it was stolen by an English monarch in the 1296. Then it was used to crown English kings as it was installed into the English throne. It was returned to Scotland in 1996. However, they had an agreement that the Stone of Scone will be installed into the throne on the next coronation, which was this year's.
3. Saint Edward's crown. The king is crowned with Saint Edward's crown, which was made for Charles II as a replacement for the medieval crown which was melted down. It is made of solid gold, frame set with rubies, amethyst, sapphires and other stones, and is topped with an orb and a cross representing the Christian world. Imperial State Crown. The Imperial State Crown is a newest addition to regalia and was made in 1937 for the coronation of George VI. Bejeweled with 2,868 diamonds and stones, including 17 sapphires, 11 emeralds, and 269 pearls.